Calhanoglu tries to play that little ball we saw in the first half to Kiesling. He'll get it back again.
He's gonna die out there.
Plenty of bodies back in defensively for Hoffenheim. They continue to do a good job defending those cross situations. Yeah, lots of numbers in there.
Ah! He got his shoe off.
He's gonna die.
Remember going back for Campbell again, you would imagine, in this second half, the possession stats in favour of the away team. Unable to break that rear guard for Hoffenheim. And possession doesn't automatically win.
I should have put it on video. I wasn't thinking about that.
Wow.
Hoffenheim has done much better.
My son, the idiot. Oh, I forgot I'm on video. Did you hear that? Okay, he decided he wants to go out and play in the snow. Now he's stuck. He can't even get out.
Please fall on your face. I'm so sorry. No gloves.
He won't be there long. I'm not rescuing you, son. I'll come back and get you in the spring.
Exactly.
Come on.